having the right job while building your independent welding business. A lot of people think they got to get this loan. They go and invest all their assets, and then they want to jump out here and they get in the field and they see that things is not like what they expected. So it's always good to do your homework before you just completely dive into the field. But to have a job that's flexible, have one where you can still run your company and you can still get some money in because you probably have to use that money to help finance your company. And I know people who have done this for several years before their family was able to get things off the ground, and they didn't have to do that. But keep your plan A, which is, your job, your side hustle. Whatever it is that's paying your bills. That's what I'm gonna say. Don't jump out the car until you got something that can replace the light bill, that can replace the rent. You see what I'm saying? But you want to be able to have something that's also flexible where you don't be all tired and bombed out and stressed out because after a long day of work, then you like, man, you know what? I don't even want to do this. And certain jobs are like that. You get off, you're like, man, all I want to do is take a shower and don't do nothing. You know what I mean? Because some jobs are that stressful, like you be on them, and it's like they want your full attention 24/7. Like you can't even take a break. You know what I mean? They want they 8 hours, they want it, or 12 or 10 or whatever the situation is. So find something that's comfortable for you when you're building your business because it is possible. You can do this, but it's going to be some trials. It's not going to be easy. If it was going to be easy, everybody have an independent business or everybody have an LLC and won't nobody have a job. You see what I'm saying? But the deal is to use your job as an ATM. Use it as an ATM. Get your money up so that way you can invest in other things and you can actually start being free. But until you get your money right, you can't do that. So I would say keep your plan A while you get your plan B together. Hog on.